In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find old journal entries in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever needed to track down an older journal entry for an audit, to answer a question from your accountant, or just to double-check past work, this process will make it easy. I'll walk you through it step by step, and you can follow along in your own QuickBooks Online account. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and look at the left-hand navigation menu. From there, go to the Reports section. This is where QuickBooks stores all the standard and custom reports that summarize your financial data. We're going to use one of these built-in reports to locate your old journal entries. Once you're on the Reports page, look for the search bar, usually near the top. Click into that search bar and type the word Journal. As you type, QuickBooks will show matching report names. When you see the report called Journal, go ahead and select it. This report is designed to show a list of transactions in journal format, which makes it perfect for reviewing journal entries. After the journal report opens, you'll notice options at the top of the screen to control what you see. Find the Customize button, or simply click the Date Range drop-down if that's easier for you. This is where you'll tell QuickBooks how far back you want to look. Set the desired date range that covers the period you're interested in. For example, you might choose last year, or you can manually set a custom start and end date if you know roughly when the entry was created. If you're not sure about the timing, you can select all dates to see every journal entry that exists in your file. Just keep in mind that a wider date range can produce a longer report. Next, to make sure you're only seeing journal entries and not other types of transactions, click on More or Filter depending on how your screen is laid out. Under Transaction Type, select Journal Entry. This narrows the report down so you're focused only on the specific transaction type you care about, which makes it much easier to scan and find what you need. When your filters and dates are set, click Run Report. QuickBooks will refresh the journal report with your chosen settings, and you'll see a list of journal entries that match your criteria. From here, you can scroll, sort columns, or drill into a specific entry by clicking on it to review the full details. And that's all you need to do to find old journal entries in QuickBooks Online.